how's it going, everybody? Welcome in. It is the holiday season. Today we're going to be making a cranberry sauce that could be used year round, but is especially great during Thanksgiving and Christmas. It is not only great on your turkey, it is not only great on its own, but my personal favorite way of eating it is scooped over some apple pie. So stay with me. Let's get this made. Starting off, we're going to go over our ingredients. You'll need 3 cinnamon sticks, 5 allspice berries, and 5 whole cloves, not clothes, a cup and a half of water, 2 cups of sugar, and of course 4 cups. I use a little bit more. I just use these 2 bags of cranberries. You'll also need some cheesecloth or a spice bag. So what we're going to do before we even get started, put all of our spices in this piece of cheesecloth. This will make it real easy later on, because eventually we're going to have to fish this out of the pan that we're cooking the cranberries in. I just give it a tie once there. We'll tie it. We'll bring these over, and then tie it again. Nothing fancy. Really, we just want to keep everything in one pouch to make it easier to get out. Okay, now we've combined our cranberries, the water, and the spice bag. We're heating this over medium heat. We're going to let this go until the cranberries start to pop. This takes about 10 minutes. They'll audibly make a popping sound. And then we'll be ready to add our sugar. Okay, so as you can see, our cranberries are starting to burst. They audibly make a popping sound. These are bursting nicely. The water's nice and hot. What we're going to do now, we're going to go in and add our 2 cups of sugar. And stir this in, combine it. This is going to be basically making the sauce, thickening it over time. Now that we have our sugar in there, we've got it dissolved, we've got the spices in there. What we're going to do, we're going to continue cooking it. We're going to turn the heat down to low. We're going to set the timer for 5 minutes. And we're going to let this cook. These berries will continue to pop. They'll continue to cook. They're already, I can press on them and they pop. They're ready to go. Alrighty, so it's been 5 minutes. You can see the cranberries continued to pop. They're now nice and soft. Got a good amount of liquid in here. What we're going to do is we're going to turn off the stove. We remove the spice packet. There's no need for this anymore. Let me get that without getting a bunch of berries with it. So we're going to just move this over to here, so that way we're not dripping across the floor when I go throw it out. We're going to let this sit on the stovetop and cool for a little bit. Then we're going to pour it into a container that we can stick in the fridge. This needs to sit overnight, so that way it sets up, also becomes nice and cold. There you have it, folks. That is the cranberry sauce I've been making for years now. Growing up, we had the stuff out of the can that slid out and you sliced up, and that just wasn't doing it for me anymore. Found and played with some recipes. This is the result that I've been using for, I don't know, the past 5-6 years. It is my favorite. Like I said, it's great over turkey. It is great on sandwiches. It is great on its own. And it's even better served over a slice of apple pie, which I will be having tomorrow during Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please hit the like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing more recipes. There's still more holiday cooking to be done, and I'm going to be doing it. Also, if you tried the recipe, leave a comment below. Let me know how you liked it. Hope you all have an amazing holiday season.